What's up everyone? Welcome to my second video of Earn Money Online series. This is Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in my first video of this series, I already show you how you can easily earn money from Fiverr by removing photo background. If you did not watch that video yet, then check the link in the description and watch that video first. And today in this second video, I am going to show you another method to earn money from Fiverr by designing Facebook post, cover, banner, story, flyer and more stuff. Designing this is one of the best way to earn money from Fiverr. Don't worry, you don't need to be an expert on designing tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. I'll show you a trick to do it without having any kinds of previous skill. You still can earn money from Fiverr by designing using that trick. So without talking too much, let's get into the video. Okay guys, on Fiverr, if you search for banner design or flyer design, you will get so many gigs on Fiverr. People are earning huge amount of money by only designing those banner, Instagram stories and flyers. You too can earn like them. There is a very simple way to get professional design for free. You can get that design for free from there and sell it over Fiverr. You don't need any professional skill or experience on designing tools or software. Okay, now let me show you how you can design banner, poster and other stuffs like professionals. Take another tab on your browser and go to canva.com. On this website, you will get huge amount of free template for different type of designs. Hover your mouse to templates and here you will get different category designer templates like social media post, banners, stories and more. Just click on what you want to design and you will get thousands of templates of those categories. All of those templates are customizable and you can customize every template according to your client need and provide designing service and also can earn money from Fiverr. So that's all for today's part. In my next video, I will show you another method of earning money from Fiverr without having a skill. Hope you like this video series. So give it a like and share this video with your friend who might try to get into online marketplace to earn easy money. Also comment down below your opinion, and if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest video notification. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SSTec tutorial and I am signing out.